Hey folks, I'm Ryan with Deep Woods Pursuit. I'm here today to do a short review of the Adorrgon 12x42 binoculars. I was very skeptical about these binoculars at first because they were so cheap. I got them off Amazon for I think $39.99. I'll post a link in the description below if you want to check them out. I've actually been pleasantly surprised with the outcome after I got them in my hands. So first off, as you can see, they're nice and compact. It does come with a bikini cover that goes on the back of the eyepieces. It's not tethered to the binoculars, so I don't really carry it a whole lot just because it's easy to lose. The front eyepieces have two covers that are tethered to the binoculars, and they stay on real well and don't get in the way, so I do leave those on just to protect the lenses from getting scratched. One of the nice things for a binocular that is this inexpensive, it does have the eyepieces that twist and adjust to whatever size you want and extend. It makes them much easier to see through. Again, these are the 12x42. I've owned a lot of binoculars over the years. I would compare these to a lot of the nicer brands out there. So the difference is you can feel the difference when you get them in their hand, which I'm assuming is the internal components are not as high quality. The glass is probably not as good. But if you're like me and you're on a budget and you don't want to spend several $100s on a nice pair of binoculars, or maybe you're rough on your stuff, obviously, you know, the bigger companies like Vortex or Nikon or Leopold or whoever you may look at there, they probably have a better warranty. These folks, I'm not sure what their warranty is, but I'm sure it doesn't compare to specifically like Vortex. Vortex has probably the best warranty in the industry, whereas if you drop them out of a tree and a bear chews on them, people always joke about that. As long as you can retrieve them and send them back, they'll send you a brand new pair or repair them, whatever the case may be. So again, I'm not saying that these are in the same class as the Vortex, the Nikons, the Leopolds. That's not what I'm getting at. These are a $40 pair of binoculars. However, the glass in them is surprisingly good. I've been super pleased with how much light they let in. So like at first light and last light, they do a really good job to be $40 binoculars. They're super clear. The adjust knob does well, brings anything you want into focus. I can't really say enough about them for 40 bucks. The way I stumbled upon them, I searched binoculars on Amazon just to see what come up, and this is the Amazon choice right now for binoculars. So if you're familiar with Amazon, and when you start searching a product, if you just search generally like tree stand, trail camera, binoculars, whatever the case may be, it'll show you which is the Amazon choice. So I looked at them there and I read the reviews, and they got pretty good reviews as well. There was very little negative things said about them. A lot of folks that were into hunting are the ones that were leaving the reviews, which is what intrigued me. Obviously that's what I'm using them for. But again, these are the Adorrgon 12x42. I'm super pleased with them. They have attachments on both sides where you can put rings, and I clip mine on a harness that holds them right here while I'm hunting. Again, we've got the adjustable eyepieces. It does come with a bikini top that covers that, and then it has the two covers here that are tethered to the binoculars where you can't lose them. Again, 40 bucks, super great value, super great deal. I'm very pleased with them. Give them a look if you're looking for an inexpensive pair of binoculars. Check them out on Amazon. Again, I'll post the link in the description below. And one bonus thing before we go, I'll tell you real quick. If you contact Adorrgon after you buy these, they will send you free of charge an adapter that goes on the eyepiece that your cell phone will hook to. I'm waiting on mine to get here. I just did it right after I got them. So I'll try to do some type of small short review on that. But that's another thing. Again, that's an adapter that goes on the eyepiece that your cell phone will hook to, so you could film or take pictures through your binoculars. Again, if you're looking for a cheap, inexpensive pair of binoculars, check out the Adorrgon 12x42s on Amazon. Links below. Thanks for watching.